Hi, welcome to 2333 228th Street in Torrance. Charming single-level 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with timeless care and beauty. Come have a look with me. Pride of ownership shines in this lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level home. Cherished by the same owner for over 30 years. The property offers a comfortable flowing floor plan designed for both everyday living and entertaining. Enter through a double-door front entry into a welcoming foyer that opens to a sunken living room featuring brick-faced fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. The formal dining area sits just above, highlighted by an elegant chandelier and natural light filtering through custom window treatments. Spacious family room and breakfast nook creates an inviting space for gatherings. The remodeled kitchen features white cabinetry, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances with a glass door leading directly to the backyard. The backyard has mature trees and well-tended garden, perfect for outdoor relaxation. The hallway bathroom offers dual sinks and a shower over tub, providing comfort and convenience for family and guests. The home offers 4 generous bedrooms, each with mirror closet doors. Additional features include crown molding, custom draperies, dual pane windows, central AC, and attached 2-car garage with direct access and laundry hookups. The primary suite features both a wall closet and a walk-in closet. Along with an ensuite bathroom that includes glass enclosure. Outside, the home boasts a beautifully landscaped yard. If you would like more information about this home or would like to schedule a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below. See you again soon.